Alright guys, welcome to another video tutorial. In this new video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do ease in, ease out, ease in and out in DaVinci Resolve 16. If you're ready, let's get started. So the first thing you want to do, guys, we are here on DaVinci Resolve 16. The first thing you want to do is to drag and drop text button on your video. So this is my video here that I want to edit. I'm going to drag the text button on my video. Of course, the text button are found on the bottom left side of your DaVinci Resolve. So I drag this and then drop it there. And then I'm just going to highlight on that, bring my pointer to that this particular text here that I want to edit. Highlight on that, come to the top right corner of DaVinci Resolve, Inspector there, click on Inspector. It brings you this editing tool which has text and video. So on text, also, of course, just type what you want there. So for example, I want to say ease in and out, as simple as that. That is my text, ease in and out. Now you can go ahead and edit how your text is going to appear. You can change the font, the color, the direction, the position, the zooming, whatever you want of the text. But for the sake of this video, you're going to see how to ease in and out using a text on your video. Okay, now if you can just scroll down and change the font here, the font face, the color, the size of your text, line spacing, track, the font, whatever guys you want, you can change here. The position, you can even change the position here. If I want it maybe to move a bit up, just come here to Y. That's expansive. The position is here. So just move it down or move it up. On next position, I can move it to the east or to the west, whatever side. Then I can even rotate this. You can even rotate this, guys, if you want. Simple as that. But for now, I'm just going to leave it where it was. Okay, just there, whatever. So let's see ease in, ease out. So come to Inspector here, then come to Video, guys. See here, where's Video? Click on Video. Then just scroll down, then come to a place called dynamic zoom. So where's the dynamic zoom? You want to enable that dynamic zoom, and then you see it has enabled this part here. So then you click on this down pointing arrow. So you can see here it's written ease in, ease out, ease in and out. So you can try ease in first, and then once you do that, just save that, Control S for those who are in Windows, and then let's see what that one does. Okay, so this is our video. Let's focus here and see what that one does. So let's play this and see. All right, so that's it, guys. That's how it's eased in. So easing in simply means it becomes smaller as it goes inside the video. Okay, now easing out is actually the difference of easing in. Easing out is that it expands out as it comes to the surface of the video. So to ease out, again, you just come and highlight your text here, come to Inspector on the top right corner here, and then again come to Video, and then scroll down the dynamic zoom, enable dynamic zoom here until the button here is red, and then down, click on this down pointing arrow, and then just click ease out like that. Okay, so that's it, guys. That's how it's ease in and ease out. So we've seen ease in, we've seen ease out. Now let's see ease in and out. So ease in and out, the same thing. Just click on this down point arrow, click on ease in and out. This is even more better, more dynamic in terms of how the lettering and the video of the letters happen. So I always use ease in and out because it just makes the video of the letter looks even better. So let's see how it works. Amazing, guys. So that's this is a simple video. I just want to show you how to do your ease in, ease out, ease in and ease out in DaVinci Resolve 16. And if you got some value, guys, please don't forget to comment below with a thank you, and please hit the subscribe button, and see you in the next video.